Good morning guys. Today is Wednesday and I'm off to Tarlac City. I will process some papers. I'm going solo today. Let's see if I can get good sceneries, good shots. See you later guys. This is my first stop and the restroom is social. We are in Tarlac. Let's resume our travel.
In 600 meters, take the exit on the right. Continue straight. Turn left. Then, your destination will be on the right.
Good morning guys, I'm now here in Tarlac City. Good luck to me.
A few moments later. A few inches later. One eternity later. Eventually.
Guys, I'm done. Now let us see the sceneries here in Tarlac City.
I can hear your laughter coming waves across the shore. Oh, maybe you could fly my kite, babe. Maybe you could fly my kite, babe. I can hear your laughter coming waves across the shore. Oh, maybe you could fly my kite, babe. Maybe you could fly my kite, babe. We could be together, you're the one I'm looking for. Oh, maybe you could fly my kite, babe. Maybe you could fly my kite, babe. We could be together, you're the one I'm looking for. Oh, maybe you could fly my kite, babe. Maybe you could fly my kite, babe. Fly my kite, 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 fly my kite. Maybe you could fly my kite, babe.
Good afternoon. My final stop before heading home. That is Mount Tarlac. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Daddy?
Oo! Bakit?
Alam mo saan ako ng drafting?
What?
Drawing?
Oh!
Alam mo yung kung saan ako ng drawing kagabi?
Oo! Naiwan mo!
Padala dito?
Naku!
Please, padala dito?
Anong oras siyang kailangan mo?
Basta, wait lang, kita ko yung schedule ko.
Oh my God. Nasa Tarlac ako ngayon!